Hey friends, who's hungry? If you're craving true Southern comfort food, let's make grillades and grits. Start by heating 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large stock pot over medium-high heat. Cut 2 pounds of olive round steak into 2-inch pieces and season generously with salt and pepper. Once the oil is hot, brown the beef in batches for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, add 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 sliced celery rib, 1 diced green bell pepper, and half a cup of chopped green onions. Saute for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. Stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of flour and stir well. Cook for about a minute to remove the raw flour taste. Add 1 cup of diced tomatoes with their juices and 1 cup of beef or chicken broth. Add 4 ounces of sliced mushrooms and half a cup of dry red wine and stir to combine. Return the beef to the pot along with 2 bay leaves. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 1 hour, stirring occasionally until the beef is tender. Now let's make the grits. In a large saucepan, combine 1 cup of chicken stock and 2 cups of water. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the liquid to a low boil. Slowly stir in 1 cup of stone ground corn grits. Reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes, stirring often until thick and tender. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of heavy cream or whole milk. Spoon the creamy grits into bowls and ladle that rich, savory beef and gravy right over the top. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.